Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today we're unboxing the Casio watch model MTP-B145D-2A2VEF. Let's get started. This is a new Casio watch with a beautiful blue dial. It features a date function and has a mineral glass. The case width is 35 mm, and the watch weighs 82 grams. Both the case and the bracelet are made of stainless steel. The battery in this model lasts approximately 3 years. The water resistance of the watch is 50 meters. Inside, there is a Miyota GM12 mechanism. How do you like this watch? How would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write to us in the comments.